Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So we're just looking at this washing machine, Bush WMT0712EW. And today we did a wash laundry and the clothes came out with so much water. So it's very wet. Look, can you see? So the clothes came out with so much water. So this does not really mean that your washing machine is broken. It just means that your filter is clogged up. So most washing machine, with the exception of a few, the filter tends to be down here. You have a cover which will cover the filter. So this one, like this one. So what we did, we pinched a screwdriver here and we took out this the cover. Then we're able to undo this one. So basically that, and we found this material here. So this material was actually causing the blockage. When I opened here, there was so much water that came out, and which explains why the clothes had so much water. So I'm just gonna clean it. I'm just gonna take this one off. Yeah, so I've taken it out, and we also have to look down to make sure there is no further blockage. Can you see? So we can see it's clear, and after that we can now put back. It's a little bit fiddly. Okay, it's gone back now, Okay, so I put one back on, and we're gonna close this one back, and okay, so we should put back inside this one, and we're just gonna run the machine again to dry the clothes, and we're going to use the program for called Rapid 15 Fast Jeans Mix Outdoor Hand Wash Spin. So we're gonna use spin. So once we use the spin and we increase the spin speed to 1200. On our machine it shows 12, but it's actually 1200. Yeah. So once we use this, once we have washed the clothes, it should take about maybe a few minutes, so about 20 minutes, and the clothes should come out much feeling, they will come out feeling a little bit drier with less water. Yeah. Some washing machine, they've got the drainage right inside the drum, and you have to fiddle around to find the wall that leads to the drainage, and you can take out the plug and clean it. Alright guys, so this is what I wanted to show you. Obviously I make videos for several things, and these are just all random videos. I'm into DIY, mathematics, very little into mathematics, physics, and I know nothing about music. Alright guys.